Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shantni Kota. So today I'd like to talk about one very common question that is asked to us by patients is why is my vision not improving post-cataract surgery? Now I understand that this is very worrisome to the patients because everywhere we proclaim that yes, so the next day you will be able to see clearly once the cataract is out. And yes, this happens in most patients. It happens in quite a huge percentage of patients. So the ones where it does not improve immediately, they're obviously worried. So a few factors that we need to keep in mind is it depends on how hard your cataract is. It depends on how much energy was used while removing the cataract. It depends on your body's own response to clear out the inflammation. In some people, it takes more time, which again depends on various systemic issues that are there. Like maybe if you're a diabetic, it might take some more time for the inflammation to clear out. But by and large, most patients are good within a week of surgery, 1 week post surgery. And in terms of the premium lenses like trifocal lenses and EDOF lenses, when we tell the patient you'll be able to read clearly, and yes, well, most of them can. There are a few that complain that I can read, but it's not very clear. Please understand there is something called neuroadaptation, and this does take time because it is a coordination of the brain with the visual impulse from the eye. So this neuroadaptation does take more time in some patients, and you have to just give it time. So be rest assured that if your surgery has gone well, if the doctor has told you that the lens is in place and everything is good, the visual recovery in some patients may take more time. You just have to be patient. Thank you.